Okay, today I'm taking a look at the new DIGITNOW USB 3.0 to HDMI 4K Ultra HD video capture card. So there is the machine. So we got a couple lights on top. We've got USB 3.0 out, headphones, microphone, and then we have HDMI in and out. And that's very important because if you want to play with no lag, you don't want to rely on the USB output. You want to have a pass-through. So we got HDMI in and HDMI out to the TV. Okay, wow, we got a real thick HDMI cord, so that's really nice. Looks like about 3 feet. And we got an equally thick USB cable, so this is good. It's got everything you need to actually get started, so that's good. This is a Dell XPS 179700. It is an absolute beast of a machine. I've had this thing for a little while now, and I know that it's fully capable of playing games and streaming at the same time. However, there is a little bit of loss. We're talking about a few frames. If you're playing competitively, that will matter. I personally never really do, but if I do want to play a game as smoothly as possible, and I also want to stream it, then I need to use something like this. And this is an Acer 515. This is also an awesome laptop, but it's awesome for a completely different reason. This one's awesome because it's much more economical. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for my main gaming system and use this to stream using this. Okay, so it looks like the USB is about 2 feet, maybe 2.5. So I'm going to plug that in here. I'll plug this in here. We can see we do have power right now, so that it is actually getting power from the laptop. So I don't have to have an external brick. Now I'm plugging in the dock. There we go. So now I have my display doubled out over here. You can see that the mouse is actually updating pretty quick. There's a little bit of latency on here, but it's not a big deal if we're going to be using it like this for streaming because there's going to be like a 10 to 30 second delay anyway going to Twitch. But yeah, so this is fully capturing that display. So this is the ultimate way to play games while broadcasting to Twitch. If I can do all my gaming over here, I can use this for doing all the broadcasting work and for, put my camera on here and push everything together. And that'll leave this free for handling all the hardcore processing to make sure that my gameplay is as smooth as possible. So, very cool.